Yo, what's good, everyone? It's V8, back with another one. Back with the new wheel and tire combo. I don't know what else to say. It looks stupid, but it handles great. It drives amazing. It's a lot quicker than it was. These wheels are really light, really small. It handles like a go-kart now. It's really got to be careful because the long tubes are really close to the ground. But other than that, it's really fun to drive. Like I said, a lot quicker than before. Now I know this isn't practical at all, but it's just for fun, and it's so low now that it's almost too low. Bumper is under my kneecap now, and the grill is way under the hip. It's right at the nether regions right here. The hood and fender line is under my hip. It's so low. The roof line comes up to my chest. I mean, this is the lowest Jeep Grand Cherokee I've ever seen in my life. It's now lowered a total of 7 inches. So these wheels, these tires specifically, lowered the Jeep another 2 inches. And it was lowered 5 inches before with the bigger 27-inch tall tires that I had on the 15x7 Canyon rims. These look better than the Canyon rims. These are the closest thing to a 5.9 Ultra Star, but these are 15, so they're lighter. To be honest, I would probably never buy these tires ever again. I'd go slightly bigger. I'd go 225, 55, 15, because this is as impractical as it can be. But man, it's really fun, and it looks pretty cool, and it looks dumb at the same time because the tires are too small. But this weight savings makes a huge difference. I mean, these tires are 5 pounds lighter than the ones I had on before. I still have them too. I'm not getting rid of them. This is just a new go-kart setup, you could call it. But yeah, I just mounted these earlier today. I'm having a lot of fun driving this thing. Just got to make sure, look out for potholes, bumps in the road, take everything slow if it's bumpy and the road is rough. You got to really be careful. You probably shouldn't even be driving on bad roads with this setup. This is only for roads that you know are paved well, because not gonna lie, this could be pretty dangerous on the undercarriage and on the exhaust. But yeah, just had to share this with you. I think it looks sick. Lowest it's ever been, lightest it's ever been. Got the weight down to, it's now 3840 without me in it. 20 pounds weight savings, 5 on each corner. My next mod, I plan on getting a quick disconnect for the wiring for the subs, so I could take the subs out, and that's going to be another 80 to 100 pounds probably of weight savings. So by then it'll be down to 3740 without me in it. So yeah, I'm pretty much just focusing on weight reduction now at this point and making it as fast as possible. pretty much for free or for cheap, with weight reduction. I got these rims. I got a set of 5 for $350. I got that deal on Craigslist. Drove out east for that, and then the tires were $75 a piece on Amazon, and they showed up early. So yeah. This is the Jeep on weight reduction. Peace and blessings to everyone. Hope everybody's doing well out there. Staying happy, healthy, positive, and paid. It's V8. I'm signing out. Peace.